Hello guys, this is a quick update. Today we talk about prompt templates again because now the system is complete and I have a new version of templates. As you know, templates and prompt engineering are a key concept in the world of artificial intelligence nowadays. So let's have a quick look to the anatomy of a template. Let's take this one for example, or the last one is the same. So we have a variable name, we have a variable template that is more specifically the label we are going to see here when we add the template to the drop down menu. We have the target. The target is another key concept. With a template we can target a specific function inside a brain module. And then we have the prompt. Here is where the prompt engineering magic happens. So imagine you have a complex input you want to send to ChatGPT like this one. Write an executable code working inside a node environment to do something. So this is the custom part. A1 between brackets is the part that is you input here, and then it is substituted and assembled to the template. Then we have a quick description for your template, because when we change template the description happens here, is visualized here. Sorry, it's like instructions for the specific template. Then we have this variable n input counting the amount of text areas you want here. You may want to use more than one variable in your template. So in this case we have A1, A2, A3. In fact we have n input equals 3. Now we will show an example so it will be much clearer. This is an inner variable you don't have to take care about. Chat is the type, so there are two types. The first one is execute. When you execute, the code is very likely expected to be some kind of JavaScript that must be executed inside the server environment. If instead it is chat, it means that very likely you are calling ChatGPT and you just want the answer back without executing anything. Then mental is something I will explain later, and the key is just a universal ID to identify the specific template. Each template should have a completely different and new ID. So this system is very powerful, and since as you know, as I said already, it is so important, this concept of prompt engineering. I imagine that you really want to work a lot with your templates. Reason why, I ask myself, can I maybe create a specific template allowing me to create other templates? And the answer is of course yes, because templates are not only prompt templates to change or to specify what you are asking to ChatGPT, but with templates you can really do complex things, and you can trigger specific function inside the cognitive architecture. The target could be ChatGPT, or in this case is injector. Injector is a specific function inside brain. So basically now let's see how we can create a new template. Now I will make better instructions here, but each template basically has a name. The name is what it's the label that is going to appear here and also here in the prompts to identify the system. So now we want to create a template for creating poems. Poem creator. Okay, so a poem is something we ask to ChatGPT to build for us. So we say write a very short poem about, and then each time we want to recycle this template but change the subject of the template. So we make like this: A1, and A1 is the input we are going to substitute later, and we also want to decide the poem of the title of the poem. So we say with title A2. Actually, we do this way: A1 about A2 with title A1. So this will be our template. The description will be a template for writing short poems. Easy short poems. So as you see, I used 2 variables in my template. So basically here I must specify, and I write 2, and there you go. Now we say talk. What happened? Let's check. We have now this poem creator. Here it is. We have a poem creator. The poem creator creates 2 variables. A template for writing expects 2 variables. A template for writing short poems. The first one should be the title. So the title is Life Is. This is the title, and the poem is about life. So we write like this: life. A poem called Life Is, that is about life. Poem creator, talk. Here's the poem. This is the title, and this is our poem. Very funny. A journey of joy and strife, a precious gift of time, a chance to make a difference and make our dreams come true. Now, okay, it worked. Basically, what happened inside the system. So let's go here and check the templates.txt, that is the database of our templates. So we see now a new template, a new JSON object defining the template. That it is a poem creator. Okay, as I said, this is going to be the label inside here. This template invokes ChatGPT. The prompt is write the real template where the engineering magic happens is this one. Okay. Write a very short poem about A. There was an error here. I don't know why. I will check why. There is really an error. A short poem with the title A. I don't know what happened. This is an error. It worked anyway, but no, there's an error. It must be a bug in the system. Sorry, I will check it. And there you go. The description that I use as an instruction, maybe I could call it the instruction, but I don't want to confuse you. And input the number of variables expected, type exe, mental 0 key. This is the random key for the template. So if we exclude this bug I just found, as you see, we easily created, stored and managed a new template called Poem Creator. So you can imagine to create any kind of template with any amount of input fields to be used. Those input fields will be substituted to A1, A2, A3 and so on in your template. Then you simply click talk and the template is created, added to the database, and you can manage it very quickly from here, from the prompt template menu. So what happened behind the curtain? Simply I have a brain module somewhere that is the template manager, but let's start from the brain. Inside the brain I have this brain module that is template manager. Let's go and look the template manager. Inside the template manager I simply have a global function called template creator. The template creator accepts a name, a question, a description, a number of variables and the identifier key. That's it. So basically when I call this template creator, you see, the prompt is template creator. It is targeting the injector. So when the prompt is a piece of JavaScript file passed to the injector. And this piece of JavaScript file is just a string invoking a function call. That is, the function is template creator and accepts the name and all the other variable A1, A2, A3, and produces a random number to be used as key, because as I said here we need the name, variable 1, variable 2, number of variables, and the key. So the total is 3, and the key is the unique identifier. So basically, as you can see, it is very easy and shows how a simple template can invoke a specific function or a set of functions or a complex piece of cognitive architecture inside your brain modules, and this can be used basically to do anything you want, because it will execute JavaScript, and so the power is limitless. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.